Hey everyone, welcome back to Mac to iPhone. Today we are going to discuss about how to create a bootable USB macOS Sonoma. To create a bootable installer, we need a USB flash drive or other secondary volume with at least 16 GB available storage and formatted as macOS extended. Or a full macOS installer. To get full installer, download from Mac App Store, and that is using macOS High Sierra or later, and the Mac must be also compatible with the macOS you are downloading. Plug in the USB flash drive or other volume that you are using for bootable installer. Now open terminal, type or paste the command below into terminal, then press return to enter command. Command assume that installer is in your application folder and that Untitled is the name of the USB flash drive. If the volume has different name, replace Untitled in the command with the name of your volume. When prompted, type your administrator password. Terminal does not show any character as you type. Then press return. When prompted, type Y to confirm that you want to erase the volume. Then press return. Terminal shows the progress as the volume erased. After volume is erased, you may see the alert terminal would like to access the file on a removable volume. Click OK or click OK to allow, copy to proceed. When terminal says that is done, the volume will have same name as installer you download, such as install macOS Sonoma. You can quit terminal and eject the volume. To use the bootable installer, plug in your bootable installer and make sure that your Mac is connected to internet and compatible with version macOS you are installing. The bootable installer does not download the macOS from internet, but it does require an internet connection to get firmware and the other information specific to the Mac model. Turn on the Mac and continue to hold power button until you see startup option. Then select the bootable installer, then continue. When Mac installer open, follow the on-screen instruction. For any other Intel Mac, turn on your Mac, then immediately press and hold the Option or Alt key. Release the Option key when you see the dark screen showing the bootable volume. Select the bootable volume, then click Return and follow the on-screen installation instruction. For Intel Mac, make sure that Startup Security Utility is set, allow to booting from external or removable media, and follow the on-screen instruction. I hope that the information and the insights shared in this video have been helpful and valuable to you. Thank you so much for joining me today on Mac to iPhone. It has been pleasure to having you there.